Windows finally did something useful. You can install multiple apps from the Microsoft Store at the same time. Let's check it. Right now, this feature is only available at the website, so don't open the app. Instead of that, search Microsoft Store, open the original website, then click on Multi-App Install. In here, you'll see different categories like productivity, creativity, social. As an example, I want this one. I want Canva, OBS, Audacity, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram Desktop, and then press on Install Apps. When you press on Install, a file will start downloading in your device. As you can see, this installer file downloaded successfully, and I understand that, okay, Discord, Facebook, and other applications are located in this installer. So I just double click on it, and as you can see, these two apps start downloading from the Microsoft Store. This option is only supported on Windows 10 and Windows 11, so no other Windows versions can use this option. All done. If you want to monitor CPU and GPU temp in taskbar, don't forget to watch this video. This video will help you to fix it. See you at the next one.